Hey guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this bob. Is glueless, no hairspray, no gel. Well, gel for the little baby hair swoop. But yeah, if y'all want to see where this hair is from and where I got it, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so this hair is from Kriyya hair, Kriyya. This is the box. And then on the inside, the wig just came in this. And then I also got an edge brush, some wig caps, some lashes, and it looks like some earrings. So they put that in a nice little package. And this is a frontal wig. This is a bob, and this one is 12 inches, I believe. And I believe the hair texture is straight. So the baby hairs were being a little bit stubborn, but I still got a nice little flukage of baby hairs to lay. So the way that the hairline was, it really didn't match mine's at all. So I tried to customize it a little bit. Overall, I just decided to do it glueless as a fast, easy bob kind of wig. So yeah, that is where this hair is from and all of that. I think it still turned out super cute. I like that it's asymmetrical, where one side is kind of shorter and this side comes down longer. You can cut it if you want it a bit shorter or whatever. This part here, I would prefer for it to be more fuller so it would match with this part. But yeah, you can also do it like a style tucked behind your ears. It would also be really cute if you put some curls in it as well. So yeah, this is just a super fast, easy install, minimal products that you need. And yeah, I didn't glue it or gel it down or anything like that. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. Okay, doll, so this is going to be so fast and easy. So go ahead and just put your wig on. And you can see I'm just lining up the lace and everything like that, seeing what is given. It looks pretty good already. So what I did, I went in and cut the lace off just to make this a faster, easier process, since I'm going to be doing it glueless. And I'm just going to go in and kind of customize the hairline a bit. The front part was coming a little bit too far up. So I did go in and kind of trim it. You can see that the hair is kind of more jagged how I'm cutting it. So it's not just a complete straight line. So that way you won't really be able to tell that it's a wig. You know what I'm saying? So now I already put a part in the hair. The parting space wasn't that much, like where I could do like a really deep part. But I did want to do a side part, especially since this wig is asymmetrical and one side is shorter than the other. So I'm just going to take my hot comb and start to flatten out the area where I have put the part in it. And as you can see, I did do a little bit of a curve right there in the front. And that is just going to make your part look more curved and a little bit more deep without actually having a lot of parting space. So if you do this extra little curve in the front where it's more of a C shape, it will make it look a little bit more deep. And also this area could be used for the baby hairs. You could do this without any baby hairs, but I decided to just do one little baby hair swoop with this style. And as you can see, whenever I'm parting it, it's giving scalp. I didn't go in and actually use any powders or concealer or anything like that, because I wanted to keep this more so like beginner friendly, really easy glueless method. So I'm just using some wrapping mousse to lay down the baby hairs after I have trimmed them down. And sometimes baby hairs can be a little bit unruly, so to get them to lay perfectly, I will use a little bit of gel. But you can see I'm going back in and plucking out some of the hair to give the baby hairs a more natural look. So now I'm going to grab my wet line gel and just apply a little bit of gel right at the top part, like where the lace is and the baby hairs, and then kind of just mold them into place and swoop them how I want them to be. You can also use a mini flat iron to do this. I do have some videos where I'm going to show you that kind of method as well. But yeah, I'm just going to go in and kind of comb the hair out and everything. This hair was already previously flat ironed so that I would have minimal work to do with this wig. So you can kind of see how it would look if you tuck it behind your ear. But then I just went ahead and combed it out. And then I'm going back in with my flat iron and just bumping it a little bit just to polish the hair up and just give it an overall, you know, finished look to the hair. So I'm also going to do that on the other side as well. And as you can see, I'm really already done. Like, it's so fast and easy, like super quick to throw on. This is how the back of the hair looks. And yeah, it's really pretty and it gives natural, like I feel like this hair has a little bit of texture to it. Y'all, so this is the completed look of the hair. I think it turned out real cute. It's definitely easy to throw on and go. Like I didn't have to do a whole lot, and I could just kind of take this wig off, put it to the side, put it back on if I want to wear it. So yeah, because it's not gelled down. Like sometimes I don't like to do, you know, spray the wig down and all of that, because I can just switch up a lot easier. So yeah, if you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.